To connect a cryptocurrency platform to a TradingView account, a data integration partnership has been established, allowing users to access real-time data from the platform. This integration enables traders to analyze over 700 crypto assets directly within their TradingView platform. To access the data, start by opening the TradingView account and loading it. Then, click on the search icon next to the profile picture. And in the window that appears, type the name of the cryptocurrency platform, without adding any dots, followed by a semicolon. Next, type the assets to be viewed, such as Bitcoin, and select the currency to analyze, like US dollars. The data will then be visible, allowing traders to make decisions based on the information without having to leave the TradingView account. This integration streamlines the trading process, providing a more efficient way to access and analyze cryptocurrency data.